Chrissy, look at Danny. What? Burn it. Chrissy, you okay?
Look at the one I gave you right there. You want to do it, Boo? You want to hold the cup? Here. You see it. You want to come over here? Right. Come here, my baby. You don't want to do it.
You want me to hold the boat?
Don't let them. They might bite you.
Yeah. Oh. They already drank it all?
Huh? Yeah. Let me hold it in there.
Let me hold it.
You gonna come to you?
Oh.
Jimmy got peed on.
Oh. Wow. Wow. I don't have any more, dude. Oh, I'm out. No.
It's okay, it doesn't hurt. It won't hurt.
You want to get another one?
Don't be scared.
Now we're right.
Go back in and get one more.
Yeah, I'll go get another one. Please don't bite me.
It don't hurt.
I know. Alright.
Mom, can I do that thing?
You can do it, yeah.
They like that.
Look at it in my mouth.
They love it.
It's okay.
Please don't pee on me.
Look at me.
Hold it with 2 hands. Hold it with 2 hands.
Liv.
Look at all the people. Hold it up. Okay, you're good. Don't drop it. You're doing good, Chrissy. Look, I'm filming you.
Little guy loves you.
Oh.
Little baby.
Oh. Look, what are they doing on me? How come this one won't go? This one's on my back. Oh, don't spill it. You're spilling it, Chrissy. Okay. All right, you got it? You're good.
Can you do more for me?
Uh-huh.
Is it too much? They like him.
Yeah.
They like
I know this one's going to poo on my back.
I think they want to hold me.
These ones are arguing.
They're arguing me.
Alright, so I'll come on.
Mom,
Watch out for the one on the ground.
That was mean.
Can you get this guy off of me?
Okay.
Watch out for the one on the ground.
Watch out for the one down there.
Huh?
That one bit the heck out of me.
Nice.